kubal kerpang kebayadai buat COVID-19. Hadut live pesan hajar sapulai ngut kilayo yo COVID-19 hari India hadut hendek sengi. Katkum ke khubor belayolum na katanat kakot kekia jongkari ladon prahajar praspa prap khundai ngut kibala kotno bat bala pelat na hospital katba si hajar si spa sapnyo ngut kilaklat no. Kani katanat kakot kekia jongkari kala pentip ru baki beliau kibala kot na COVID-19 kilakiu bah kata kalong na kakhatlai poin not real na kasispa syaka absan na kasispa hakini khat saus ni kabalong ka khubor ka basutnat ya karihi barokway. Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajela Meghalaya uba Preston Tensong ula pentip babaro ki MLA jong ka Meghalaya ki no senyang sipau na kasispa yak tulop jongki syaka Chief Minister Relief Fund bat kani ka jing ot tulop kanlong menta baro sisnem na ka benta banyakun ya ka khlam COVID-19. Menteri Rangba Kajela Meghalaya konrat kesang ma henne kasngi ula pentip bana khatwengut kibayo ya COVID-19 sipongut naki kilakot no bat Kajela Meghalaya menta ka dontang iwe i COVID-19 case. Une Menteri Rangba Kajela Meghalaya ula pentip hakilat patai khubor hadin ka jingelang ka balalong sekretariat bakini baro sipongut kibayo ya COVID-19 menta kilat tes negatif lut hadin bala pendap lut ya ka tes ka jongki ka balong hadu laisin. Menteri kakot kakia jong Kajela Meghalaya uba ALHEC lambat UMLA ka mukayau uma nujorki sungo hene kesni kilalum jingalang bat ki doktor ka Lashken CC haringkat ka jingdon lang i director ka tanat kakot kakia i Dr. Ewar lambat ki officer kakot kakia banyakren ya ka jing pengkre banyakun ya kani kaklam COVID-19 bat ka jing penbiang ya ka jing ajung sumar Lashken CC. MLA ka Nongpo constituency uba Miral Bonds aim hakasngi pale jong katayo ula ay ka dorkas ha Menteri Rangba Kajela Meghalaya konrat kesang ma halor kijingkwa jong ubak sorkar kadai banshim yabon kilat jingaram. Une UMLA ka Nongpo ula penparu babaro ki school ki college lembat kiyo basisin chitiyo ki deban khangshwa khnang banlait na ka jingpor jong une khanyang jingpang coronavirus. Uba Miral Bonds mula kenturu yak sorkar jela bahaswa ban pli yak kicaka puli ha ka jela ka sorkar ka deban pinbiang lut kilat jingada kum ki mas ne ki jainda khmut lambat ki dawai sakti ne ki hand sanitizer bat ka bakongsan kalong man pinsngo thu yak ki khana school lambat ki samla puli yak jingdon kam jong ka jingya jinga iwei na iwei pat ne ka social distancing khnang bakin lat na kane ka jingpang bashir khay jong COVID-19. Menteri Rangba Kasikim Prem Singh Tamang ulay thu bagi tu ki beliau ki basakut sabar jala bat ki bathmu banwan phaino Sikim kinsha quarantine chua Hasiluguri na ka bendakat sausngi haswa bakin yorung Sikim. Une Menteri Rangba Kasikim ulay thu ru banalor ka jingla quarantine bakhat sausngi Hasiluguri na ka benda ki tu ki beliau ki bawan nabar ka jala ka sorkar Sikim ka penbiang ru ya ki hotel bat ki school bakin long ki caka quarantine chua ya ki tu ki beliau ki bawan na jala haswa bakin sya yaki banrung Sikim. Parolong long sngap players ngomentan yaki kubal kerpang hakabay day bol COVID-19 yakabalawalam syapi daka Regional News Unit jong ko All India Radio Shillong. Kani kaday ko All India Radio Shillong.
This is All India Radio Shillong. We now bring to you a special roundup on COVID-19. A total of 35,043 COVID-19 cases have been reported in the country so far. As per Health Ministry, 8,889 patients have recovered after treatment and discharged from the hospitals, while 1,147 patients have died. A health ministry official said recovery rate has improved from 13.06% to above 25% in 14 days, which is a positive sign. The doubling rate of novel coronavirus is now 11 days compared to 3.4 days before lockdown. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong yesterday informed that the MLAs of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will donate 10% of the salaries to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund to help in combating COVID-19 during this whole fiscal year. Tinsong yesterday said that the decision to donate 10% was taken during a meeting which was attended by Assembly Speaker Medba Lingdo, Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma and all the MLAs. According to him, all the MLAs have agreed to donate 10% of the salary from April this year to March 2021. Meanwhile, Tinsong claimed that there is no objection to the decision from any quarters on the decision of deferring the salaries of a section of the government employees due to the financial crisis owing the prevailing situation. According to him, the deferment simply means that their salary cannot be paid during today, it would be paid next month. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has informed that the result of the third test of 8 active patients have come out negative, thereby bringing down the number of positive patients to 3 in the state. So far, the state has tested 1,595 samples, where 1,433 are negative and results await are 150. The Chief Minister said that all the 8 have tested negative, which is a good sign, and they have recovered. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that after 14 days, the sample of the 8 were tested negative, and as per protocol, another test was conducted within 24 hours, which also came out negative. He said that they are fully recovered now. He further said that the government has recommend them to stay at home for the next 14 days, although they can mingle with friends and family at home. Health Minister Shri A.L. Hek, along with the local MLA of Mukayao constituency, Shri Nujorki Sungo, today held a review meeting with the doctors in charge of Laskan CHC, Director of Health Department Dr. A. War, DHS and health officials regarding the COVID-19 preparedness at Laskan CHC. Later, the Health Minister, the Director, briefed the media on preventive measures taken regarding quarantine facilities, isolation wards, and other responding services. He urged the public to adhere to all protocols and not to panic about COVID-19, as many have recovered from this virus. Ribhoi District Nongpo Constituency Legislator Meral Bons AM yesterday submitted a petition to Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma with regards to taking some more preventive measures. Meral Bons AM said that all schools, colleges and the weekly market needed to be closed for some period of time in order to free from the widespread of coronavirus. He also suggested the government that before opening of educational institutions in the state, the government should aware and to ensure the essential requirements like a face mask, sanitizers should be provided, and the most importantly to maintain the spirit of social distancing so that students will not be affected by deadly diseases. Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang said people belonging to the state stranded on the way home will be quarantined in Siliguri in neighboring West Bengal for 14 days before they are allowed to enter Sikkim. The government will facilitate the return of all people stuck outside the state following the guidelines of the centre, he said. The returnees will be put in isolation at various facilities such as hotels and schools to be arranged by the government before they are allowed to go to their homes, the Chief Minister said. Listeners, that was a special roundup on COVID-19 brought to you by the regional unit of All India Radio. This is All India Radio, Shillong.